Welcome back to Product Critique, the ultimate destination for hands-on, honest reviews of gadgets that make your digital life easier. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best 4-port USB 3.0 hub you can get your hands on, the ANYPLUS USB 3.0 hub. Let's dive right in. Right out of the box, the ANYPLUS USB hub makes a bold promise: simple, fast, and seamless expansion of your USB capabilities. It's designed for those who need more connectivity without sacrificing performance or portability. Whether you're running a laptop, desktop, Xbox, or even a PS4, this compact device gives you 4 ports from a single USB-A connection. That's a serious productivity boost. Now let's talk design. It sports a minimalistic black ABS plastic build, lightweight and highly portable. The cable length comes in at just 0.85 feet, which makes it perfect for compact workspaces. Not too long to create clutter, and not too short to cause strain. It fits effortlessly into your setup, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move. In terms of hardware, this hub supports USB 1.1, 2.0, and 3.0 interfaces. That means you're getting backward compatibility across generations. But where it shines is with USB 3.0 pushing data at speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. That's ideal for transferring large files, backing up drives, or working with external media. Plug in your flash drives, keyboards, mice, printers, card readers, HDDs, and it all just works. Speaking of which, this really is plug and play. There's no driver installation needed. Just plug it in and go. It's compatible across a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even Chrome OS. That wide compatibility makes it super versatile for all your devices. One thing to note: this isn't meant for charging. The maximum output current is only 900 milliamps. So while it can power small devices like USB fans or LED lights, it's not ideal for charging phones or tablets. This is strictly a data hub, and it does that job exceedingly well. Also, if you're planning to connect an external hard drive that requires more power, like some larger 2.5 or 3.5 inches HDDs, you might need to use an external power source. But for flash drives, keyboards, or game controllers, you're golden. The ANYPLUS hub is engineered to handle all 4 ports running simultaneously without overheating. That's a huge plus, especially if you're the kind of user who leaves devices connected for extended periods. Now if you run into any issues, the customer service is right there for you. ANYPLUS provides 24-hour online support, which is reassuring for a budget-friendly tech accessory. Students, professionals, gamers, or just casual users looking for simple expandability. It's affordable, durable, and reliable. With blazing fast data transfer, plug-and-play convenience, and broad compatibility, this is hands down the best 4-port USB 3.0 hub out there right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the best gadget reviews. See you next time.